Forward Extrusion Machine. In previous video, we have seen simple hot extrusion process. Let us see a forward hot extrusion machine. It consists of main cylinder, press column, platen, ram, container, die, cross-sectional shape, die backer and dummy block. The ram pushes the job against the die opening. The metal deforms and extruded in forward direction to the die opening. Extruded product.